Let me give you a quick overview of our latest live stream, which is all about creating tables in Drupal. Now, we'll start things off by creating a table using CKEditor. Now, that is just as simple as jumping into a page that has CKEditor available, and you want to make sure that you do have the Insert Table button. If not, you can activate it from the text formats and editors page. But if you click on it, you can simply select how many rows and columns you want, and then you can go ahead and adjust a few things as well. And best of all, what you can do, you can even copy and paste columns and rows out of Google Sheets and possibly even Excel. Well, I haven't tested that part out, but I can just go in there and paste it, and there you go. I've got a nice table already pasted in CKEditor. Now, this is the quickest and easiest way to get started if you want to add tables into Drupal. Then we took a look at the first module, which is called Table Field. This allows you to store a table as an actual field. So if we go to this tab over here, you will see that we have this table structure. And if we click on change numbers of rows and columns, we can adjust and rebuild the table. So we can adjust the amount of columns and rows, and you can even paste in some CSV. Here you can specify exactly how you want the column to be separated by, and then just click on import and rebuild. Or you can just simply upload a CSV file. Now, this module is great for just bulk uploading CSVs because it just makes it very easy using this feature. Then the second module we took a look at was called Ultimate Table Field. This is similar to Table Field, but it just does things a little differently. The UI looks a little different. And as far as I can see, you cannot import a bunch of content directly through the UI. Then we took a look at Paragraphs Table. Yes, believe it or not, we're going to be using paragraphs to create table structure. I just went ahead and created a view paragraph type, but the magic really happens in this module because what it allows you to do, here is the front end of what it looks like. You can edit and duplicate the table data, or technically the paragraph, from the front end, and you can even add a new row. So I can come along in here and add in a new row, and this is all from the front end. And if we edit and have a look at the custom widget, you need to configure this as a custom widget. You do get this table-like looking widget because each paragraph is technically a row, and then you can see that each column kind of looks like a table. If you want to manage table data using paragraphs, then I'd highly recommend that you take a look at Paragraphs Table. Then finally, we took a look at how to create a table in code through a controller. And here it is. And we also integrated the table with DataTables, which is a JavaScript library that converts standard HTML tables into advanced interactive grids, essentially. So you can search by the row data, you can even set how many items per page you want, and you've also got nice Ajaxy pagination. Now, there is a DataTables module in Drupal, but as of this recording, it hasn't been upgraded to Drupal 11. And I also wanted to show how to integrate third-party CDNs. So what we ended up doing was creating a custom module with a custom controller. And here is the test data, and we are using the table element to simply output the table. Then we implemented a custom library, well, two custom libraries, which is DataTable CDN and also DataTables. So the CDN is pulling in DataTables, and then we've got this behavior that simply searches for tables with the following class of enable DataTables, and then just invokes it. And that is it. Then you can come along in here and add in any customization to your DataTables. So if you want to learn all about this, check out our latest live stream, which is all about how to create tables in Drupal CMS. And as usual, I have added links to resources and modules and the chapter markers. And of course, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Take care.